Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for June 27th of 2025 is titled Messier 109. So what do we see here? Well, here we see a spiral galaxy, and it's known by its catalog designation of Messier 109, or sometimes called M109. And this was a set of a little over 100 objects that were cataloged by Charles Messier back in the 1700s. And they often included things like nebulae and star clusters, as well as galaxies that were found there. And they were essentially objects that did not look like stars through a small telescope. They looked a little fuzzy and could have been confused with a comet. So this is one of the first catalogs that was done of that type of object. Now, this is an example of what is called a barred spiral galaxy. And the difference between that and a normal galaxy is the bar going through the center. And you can see the vertical bar there going from upper left to lower right, diagonally through the center. And it looks a little bit yellower, perhaps, than the rest of the galaxy. When we get into the outer parts, then we start to see this typical bluer color we associate with spiral arms. The bar and its reason for formation is something we don't understand. Why some galaxies form bars and some do not is a great question. And in fact, our own Milky Way galaxy has a bar going through it. But why some galaxies form like this and have the spiral arms coming off the end of the bar instead of spiraling right down into the center is a current question in astronomical research. Now, the outer layers do have the distinct blue color associated with blue star clusters, and those then form within the spiral arms and highlight the spiral arms. Those are some of the hottest and brightest stars that form, and while we can't see individual stars, we can see their combined light, and that gives the arms their distinct blue coloring. Now, based on measurements, Messier 109 is about 60 million light years away. So that is the estimated distance, and its size is about the size of our own Milky Way, about 120,000 light years across. So someone living in Messier 109, looking back toward our Milky Way, might see something very similar in the sky. They might see something just like this looking at our own galaxy as we look out to see their galaxy. And of course, one difference with this, with being 60 million light years away, means that we don't see this galaxy as it is right now. This is what the galaxy looked like 60 million years ago. And that's because light travels at a finite speed, so it doesn't immediately get from one location to another. It takes time. It travels at a rate of 1 light year for every year of travel time. So something 60 million light years away would take 60 million years for the light to get to us. And that means that we always see objects in the sky as they were in the past, whether it's just seconds, minutes, or hours for something in our solar system, hundreds or thousands of years for stars, or many millions or even billions of years for galaxies. We can never see anything as it is right now because the light cannot travel instantaneously across the universe. So that was our picture of the day for June 27th of 2025. It was titled Messier 109. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.